welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm showing y'all how to do a frontal quick weave. As y'all can probably see, I kind of got started already. I just did the ball cap method for the frontal, and then I put on another stocking cap and just like folded it back some so I can have 2 layers for the frontal. Today's video is sponsored by DYHAIR777. They sent me over some bundles, which is different because usually hair companies send over wigs, and I don't know how to do wigs, and I can't always get an appointment in time to get a video done. So it came with this little hair care card. I got 4 bundles. It came with this little clip that says kiss. A bundle of 26, 24, 22, and 20. So this is the hair. This is their body wave texture. As I'm running my fingers through, I'm not getting much shedding, which is good, just like one strand of hair. And this is Brazilian hair, so. And these are all the bundles together. It's gonna be a nice thick quick weave. When doing a quick weave or like a sew-in or any type thing, you always want to start with the longest bundle. So with the longest bundle like in the back, so you can get the most length out of it. So this is my 26-inch bundle. It's the longest one I got. So I'm gonna start with this one. I'm just using an old frontal I've had for like 2 years now. I paid $250 for it, so I just never threw it away. I just saved it until I could find something to do with it, and now I'm doing something with it because I wasn't gonna throw that away after just wearing it one time and then now I spent on it. We could repurpose that, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So this is the frontal. It's a HD lace frontal. Can't really tell y'all where it's from because this is a sponsored video, but if you want to know, just DM me. I'll be happy to tell you. For the frontal part, you just want to do the same drill you would for a wig. So ball cap, glue it down, spray it, and makeup. So I'm about to go in with my cream based makeup. I recommend you use a shade 2 shades darker than you. That's something somebody just told me. So the color won't be too light, so I'm kind of hoping it doesn't look too light because there's already old color on the frontal that matches my skin pretty well. So hopefully this won't make too much of a difference, but get 2 shades darker so you know the color's gonna match. I'm gonna do 3 layers of this. So make sure you let each layer dry clear before applying a new layer, and then the last layer we let dry clear, and then we're gonna place on the lace. Now that this protective shield is dry, I'm gonna take this elastic band off. So I'm gonna explain this one time because I have a whole detailed video on how to do a quick weave on my channel already. So if you need step-by-step instructions, feel free to watch that. Basically what you do is you take your track, measure your head ear to ear. So we're starting with the back. So I go, well, in this case I'm gonna go frontal to frontal. So it would be about here. Keep your thumb right there so you know where to cut. Cut just a little bit past where your thumb is. Cut your piece. Then put your track back. Then you're gonna take your hair glue of your choice. This is the one I'm using. Any Salon Pro hair glue is good. 30-second glue is good. And place it ear to ear. Well, in this case, frontal to frontal. But if you were doing like any other, if you were doing a leave out quick weave, it would be ear to ear technically. But in this case, frontal to frontal. And you don't want to get any glue in your hair, but I think I just got some in my hair. But it's not too big of a deal. When you take this out, just saturate it in conditioner, and it doesn't even have to be conditioner. You can saturate it in oil. Like this wild growth oil, this is kind of expensive, so I recommend like coconut oil. Literally like just soak it in that, leave it on your hair for like an hour, and it'll slip right out. And if it's still gluing your hair, more conditioner, more coconut oil, let it sit even longer, and gently detangle. And that's basically what you're gonna do for your whole head. So I'm starting with the longest bundle. Like I said, this is the 26-inch bundle. You're gonna keep going until you get to the top. Okay guys, but we have finally come to the end of this video. If you made it to the end, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at yours truly Amaya. You can follow me on TikTok at Amaya White, and you can add me on Snapchat at sassena.919. And yeah, overall I really do like this hair. I crimped it on 430 degrees and it didn't burn at all, which is always a good sign. That means it's 100% human. It is one little melted piece on here, I ain't gonna lie. Can y'all see that right there? I've never done a frontal quick weave before. This was my first time ever doing this, and it doesn't look bad if you ask me. I used about 2.5 bundles, so this is everything I have left. This 20-inch bundle and a little bit of the 22-inch bundle. I can use this for a different quick weave or whatever I want to use it for. I might cut that into a bob. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.